Are you tired of the monotonous 9-5 grind? Do you dream of escaping the daily commute and having more control over your schedule? If so, you're not alone. Many people are seeking alternative ways to earn money online, allowing them to break free from traditional employment. In this article, we will explore 15 legitimate online money-making methods that can help you achieve financial freedom and create a life on your terms. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through freelancing. Whether you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing, there are countless opportunities for freelancers to find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Blogging. If you have a passion for writing and sharing valuable information with others, starting a blog can be an excellent way to generate income. By creating engaging content and monetizing your blog through advertising or sponsored posts, you can turn your hobby into a profitable venture. Affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting products or services on your website or social media platforms and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. With affiliate marketing programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank, anyone can start earning passive income by recommending products they believe in. Online surveys. Companies are constantly looking for consumer feedback to improve their products and services. By participating in online surveys with reputable websites such as SurveyJunkie or Swagbucks, you can earn cash rewards or gift cards simply by sharing your opinions. Virtual assistant. As businesses increasingly rely on remote support services, becoming a virtual assistant has become an attractive option for those seeking flexible work hours from home. You can offer administrative assistance tasks such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling social media accounts. E-commerce. With the rise of platforms like Shopify and Etsy, starting an online store has never been easier. Whether you sell handmade crafts, vintage items, or digital products, e-commerce allows you to reach a global audience and generate income around the clock. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, consider becoming an online tutor. Platforms like VIPKid or Tutor.com connect educators with students worldwide who are seeking personalized learning experiences. Stock trading. While it requires some knowledge and risk tolerance, stock trading can be a lucrative way to make money online. By educating yourself on market trends and using reliable trading platforms such as Robinhood or E-Trade, you can potentially earn significant profits from buying and selling stocks. Drop shipping. This method involves setting up an online store without holding inventory yourself. Instead, when a customer purchases a product from your website, the order is fulfilled by a third-party supplier who ships directly to the customer's doorstep. Platforms like Oberlo make drop shipping accessible to anyone interested in running their own business. Content creation on YouTube. If you enjoy creating videos and have engaging content ideas that resonate with viewers, YouTube can be a profitable platform for monetization through ad revenue and brand partnerships. Social media management. Many businesses struggle with effectively managing their social media presence while focusing on core operations. By offering social media management services as a freelancer or agency owner, you can help businesses grow their online presence while earning income from home. Online coaching, consulting. If you possess specialized knowledge in areas such as fitness training, career development, or personal finance management, offering coaching or consulting services remotely can provide both fulfillment and financial rewards. E-book publishing. Have expertise in any field? Consider writing an e-book. Self-publishing platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow authors to reach millions of readers worldwide while retaining full control over pricing and royalties. Online course creation. If you have a skill or knowledge that others are eager to learn, creating an online course can be a highly profitable venture. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable provide all the tools necessary to develop and market your courses effectively. App development. With the increasing demand for mobile applications, learning app development can open up lucrative opportunities. Whether you create apps for iOS or Android platforms, there is a vast market waiting for innovative solutions. By exploring these 15 legitimate online money-making methods, you can break free from the traditional 9-5 grind and create a lifestyle that offers flexibility, financial freedom, and personal satisfaction. Remember, success in any of these endeavors requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. So why wait? Start exploring your options today and take control of your future. In conclusion, if you're tired of the daily grind of traditional employment and yearn for more freedom in your life, it's time to consider alternative methods of making money online. From freelancing to e-commerce to content creation on YouTube, there are numerous avenues available that offer both financial rewards and personal fulfillment. By taking advantage of these opportunities with dedication and perseverance, you can pave the way towards financial independence while enjoying a lifestyle tailored to your preferences.